Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan caravan, where you can learn to draw witches and wizards. These magical people can ride on broomsticks, cast spells with their magic wands, and create potions and witches' brews in their cauldrons. Look at their pointy hats. They have a wide, flat brim with a tall, pointy part on top. It looks like a triangle. Starting near the top of your page, draw a lying down, very thin, pointy oval. And then on top, draw the triangle, up to a point and back down. Below the hat, we need to draw the witch or wizard's face. We're going to use an upside down rainbow shape for this. It needs to be the same width as the triangle. So starting just here, draw down, go under the chin and back up to the other side. Then you can draw 2 eyes just underneath the brim. 1, 2. But don't draw any more of the face just yet. We'll come back to this later. We'll draw the body first. So do 2 little lines for the neck. Bloop, bloop. And then a line across the top for the shoulders. Witches and wizards usually wear black robes. You can decide if yours is going to be a long robe or a shorter robe. We're going to use a trapezoid or a trapezium shape for this. It looks a bit like a rectangle, but it has a short end and a longer end. If your witch or wizard is going to have a long robe, draw a line where the feet will be. And if your witch or wizard is going to have a short robe, put it where the knees will be. And then you can join the top corners to the bottom corners. If you've chosen a short robe, you'll need to draw some legs, 2 standing up rectangles, and for feet, we're going to use small lying down rectangles with curvy corners. Their robes have wide sleeves. We're going to use triangles for these. But before we start, we need to decide what the witch or wizard is doing. If they're carrying a broomstick, the triangle will need to stick out to the side. If they're waving their magic wand, the triangle will need to be up in the air. And if they're holding a heavy cauldron, the triangle will need to be pointing towards the ground. You could decide what your witch or wizard is going to be doing and follow along with those instructions. I'm going to show you the broomstick first. Starting on the shoulder corner, draw a straight line out, down the side of the sleeve and back into the shoulder corner to make that triangle. Then on the end of the sleeve, draw a semi-oval. Then for the broomstick handle, we're going to draw a standing up, very thin rectangle going up from the hand, and then the other half is going to be below the hand. And then do lots of long, scribbly lines for the twigs on the end to make it into a broom. If your witch or wizard is going to be waving a magic wand, starting on the shoulder corner, draw up along the edge of the sleeve and back into the shoulder corner. Then draw a semi-oval on the end for the hand and a short line sticking out for the magic wand. If your witch or wizard is holding a cauldron, starting on the shoulder corner, draw down along the edge of the sleeve and stop on the side of their robe. Then you can draw a semi-oval for the hand. To draw the cauldron, underneath the hand, draw a lying down oval with an upside down rainbow that joins one edge of the oval to the other edge of the oval, and another rainbow that goes up and over and through the witch or wizard's hand and ends up on the other side of that oval. Or you might choose to have an arm that's just resting by the side of the witch or wizard's body. Now you need to decide if your witches and wizards are old or young. If they're like Harry Potter and Hermione, just add a little line for the nose, a mouth, and some hair, any style you like. But if you want an old, wrinkly witch or a wise old wizard, you need a long, knobbly nose. You need long, scraggly hair, some warts on the end of their noses, and a bristly beard. This witch and wizard don't look too unfriendly, do they? But if you want them to be wicked witches and wizards, you can give them some mean eyebrows. Just draw 2 little lines, starting above the nose and then going up over the eye. You can add lots of other details too. Maybe the witch has green skin and stripy tights. Maybe the wizard has a lightning bolt on his hat. You could use some other Sketchcan Caravan videos to add a witch's cat or even a frog to go in the cauldron. Watch out, I think they're going to cast a spell.